This fantastic Myth Gear multi-tool is amazing, not only for its quality, which is really good, but also because of what you can do with it. It comes with 20 tools that you can have within easy reach for every occasion. Whether if it is an emergency or just on a daily basis if you need a specific tool that fits in the palm of your hand or any backpack as well. The hard case holder, which you can set on your belt for convenient and easy reach, makes it perfect to take it with you on the go everywhere. Within some of the things you will find in this 256 grams and well-polished tool, you will be able to use 3 types of pliers, a regular one, a wire cutter, and a needle nose plier. A pair of scissors for easy and precision cutting. A metal file with also a convenient and strong saw for wood cutting. And a main blade which surprised me on how sharp it was. For every occasion, the Phillips screwdriver and the threader as well. And a variety of screwdrivers, bottle openers, and line planers that you know will come handy someday. Let's take a closer look at this fantastic tool in action. As I say before, the quality of this convenient and well-made 20-in-1 multi-tool is outstanding, and it could be the perfect gift for every occasion. This Myth Gear tool was made to last.